Yeah. Good morning, class students. Our running topic is quadratic equations. So today I am going to explain some more problems from 5.3 exercise. Sum of the areas of two squares. Sum of the here question. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square, and difference of their perimeters 24 meters. So find the sides of the given squares. Solution. Here two squares are there. I am taking one square as ABCD and another square I am taking PQRS. I don't know the side of this square and also I don't know the side of that square. For example, I am taking the side of this square is nothing but x meters and this one nothing but y meters. So here two squares are there. I don't know the sides of the first square and also second square. I am taking the side of ABCD as x meters and the side of the square of PQRS I am taking as y meters. Let the side of one square is equal to x meters and the side of another square is equal to y meters. So as per given, sum of areas is equal to 468. What is the area of the square? Side into side. It means the area of the one square is x square and area of the another square is nothing but y square is equal to 468. Let this is first equation. Then after difference of their perimeters. What is that here? 24 meters. What is the perimeter of square? 4 into side. It means the perimeter of one square is nothing but 4x and perimeter of another square is nothing but 4y is equal to 24 meters. So from these two I am taking 4 as a common. So 4 into x minus y is equal to 24. Then after x minus y is equal to 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. X minus y is equal to 6. From this we can write x is equal to y plus 6. So from this we can write x is equal to y plus 6. Take this as second equation. From first equation. What is the first equation here? X square plus y square is equal to 468. X square plus y square is equal to 468. So what is the meaning of x here? Y plus 6. X square means y plus 6 whole square plus y square is equal to 468. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2a. By using that identity, y square plus 6 square plus 2 into y into 6 plus y square is equal to 468. Now y square plus 6 square means 36 plus 12y plus y square is equal to 468. 1y square plus 1y square 2y square. 2y square plus 12y plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 12y. Here minus 432 is equal to 0. So from this I am taking 2 as a common. Y square plus 6y minus y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. So y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. See here one quadratic equation form. What is that? Y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. So now I am going to use factorization method to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So what is the number here? 216. 216 we can write 12 into 18. But I need fix here. So 12 minus 12 plus 18 is equal to 6. So y square minus 12y plus 18y minus 216 is equal to 0. So from these two I am taking y as a common. So y minus 12 plus here I am taking 18 as a common. Y minus 12 is equal to 0. So once again y minus 12 is a common. So remaining y plus 18 is equal to 0. So here y minus 12 is equal to 0 or y plus 18 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 12 or y is equal to minus 18. See here, side of a square never negative. So y is equal to 12 is a correct answer. Why? Because y is equal to minus 18. So minus 18 it is not a side of given square. So y is equal to 12. From second equation. From second equation, if y is equal to 12 meters, if y is equal to 12 meters, then x is equal to y plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 meters. Side of 1 square, x is equal to 18 meters. Next, side of another square, y is equal to 12 meters. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. So in that, the square of the smaller number. So in the two numbers, one is a smaller number, one is a larger number. Square of the smaller number is 8 times 2 larger number. Here two numbers are there. Sum of the squares of the two numbers 180. So from that, square of the smaller number is 8 times 2 larger number. So find the required numbers. Find the required numbers. So the difference of squares of two numbers. Here two numbers are there. Difference of squares of two numbers is 180. So from that, square of the smaller number is 8 times 2 larger number. So find the required numbers. Solution. Let smaller number be x and larger number. So from that, smaller number I am taking as y, larger number I am taking as x. Difference of squares. Squares of that numbers. Difference of squares of that numbers is equal to 180. It means x square minus y square is equal to 180. Let this is first equation. Next, square of the smaller number. As per given, square of the smaller number. Is equal to 8 times 2 larger number. Here, what I took smaller number as x. Sorry, I took smaller number as y. So smaller number square means y square is equal to 8x. Now this is second equation. So from first equation, from equation 1, what we can write here? X square minus y square is equal to 180. But here I know the value of the y square. So in the place of y square we can write 8x. So I am replacing y square by 8x. X square minus 8x is equal to 180. Then after x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Here one quadratic equation found. What is that? Y square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. So here 180. 180 we can write as 10 into 18 is equal to 180. But I need minus 8. So plus 10 minus 18 is equal to minus 8. So here y square x square plus 10x minus 18x minus 180 is equal to 0. So from these two I am taking x as a common. X plus 10. So from these two I am taking minus 18 as a common. X plus 18 is equal to 0. So once again x plus 10 I am taking as a common. X plus 10 into x minus 18 is equal to 0. So here x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 18 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 18. See here. If x is equal to 18, then from second equation y square is equal to 18x. Y square is equal to 8x. Square of the smaller number is 8 and to larger number. It means y square is equal to 18 to 18. Then y square is equal to 144. Then y is equal to under root of 144 is equal to 12. Required smaller number y is equal to 12. Larger number x is equal to 18. So from the two, smaller number is 12 and larger number is 18. So here is the question. Find the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 2 root 2 into x minus 2 root 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. See here, I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So from the comparison, what we can write here? A is equal to and b is equal to minus 2 root 2 and c is equal to 1. Now I am going to use quadratic formula method. To find the roots of given quadratic equation, I am going to use quadratic formula method. So by using that, what we can write here? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is the quadratic formula here? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b means minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus b square means minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4ac means 4 into 2 into 1 by 2a means 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 2 root 2 plus or minus, it is nothing but minus 2 whole square into root 2 whole square minus 8 by 2a means 2. X is equal to 2 root 2 plus or minus 2 square means 4. Here square root to cancel, 4 2s are 8. By 2. It is 2 root 2 plus or minus under root of 0 by 2. So finally x is equal 2 root 2 plus 0 by 2 comma here a value is 2. So here 2 root 2 minus 0 by 4. So finally 2 root 2 by 4 comma 2 root 2 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So roots of given quadratic equation root 2 by 2 and root 2 by 2. So 10 questions. Here is the homework questions. Sum of the areas of two squares is 180 centimeters square and difference of their perimeters 24 centimeters. Then find the sides of the squares. Find the roots of 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. So students, complete the homework. Thank you for watching.